वेलकम बैक वंस अगेन। आज हम अपने इस वीडियो में करेंगे क्लास 7th इंग्लिश द इंग्लिश चैनल बुक का चैप्टर 10 द लामा के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स। इसके एक्सप्लेनेशन का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेगा। रीड एंड आंसर। क्वेश्चन नंबर ए, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। फर्स्ट वन, ही कुड हेयर अ रेगुलर ड्रोनिंग साउंड कमिंग फ्रॉम इनसाइड। आंसर इज बी, द monks were chanting prayers. Second one, the Lama seemed pleased with your gift. Sonam Darka smiled. Answer B, the Lama had not expected a gift from Debu. Third, no, it was something pressing on his chest, almost suffocating him. Answer C, somebody was attacking him. Question number 2. Debu blinked nervously. He blinked. On the glided throne was a boy. Question number A. Why did Debu blink nervously? Answer. Debu blinked nervously because he was surprised to see a boy on the throne instead of an older person. Question number B. Explain the context of the above line in your own words. Answer. Debu was shocked to find that the head Lama was a boy, not the older figure he had expected. His reaction shows he was unsure how to respond. Question number C. Was the surprise favorable or unfavorable for Debu? Answer. This could be both favorable and unfavorable. The boy Lama might make Debu feel more at ease, but it could also disrupt his expectations and make him uncertain. Question number B. Read these sentences and answer. First one, but when he glanced up apologetically, he saw the little Lama's black eyes glittered with excitement. Question number A. Who glanced up? Answer. Debu glanced up. Question number B. Why did he feel apologetic? Answer. He felt apologetic because a toy given to him by Hayat fell out of his pocket while he was trying to show respect. Question number C. Why did Lama's eyes glitter with excitement? Answer. The young Lama was excited by the toy because, despite his status, he still had childlike interest. Question number 2. You will bring bad luck to us with this behavior. Question number A. Who said this line to whom? Answer. Jeevan said this to Trilok Singh. Question number B. What behavior is being talked about? Answer. Trilok Singh was showing disrespect to the Lamas and their traditions. Question number C. Do you think the speaker was right? Answer. Yes. Disrespecting spiritual leaders can be seen as inviting bad luck in their culture. Question number 3. They let out fierce cries to terrorize their prey and fired their guns. Question number A. Who are they? Answer. The robbers. Question number B. Who do they terrorize? Answer. They terrorize their victims. Question number C. What is happening in the scene? Answer. The robbers are attacking, trying to scare their victims with loud noise and gunfire. 10 questions with answers based on the story. First one. Who blinked nervously in the story? Answer. Debu. Second. Where was the monastery located? Answer. Tibet. Third. What was pressing on Debu's chest in the night? Answer. Thief. Who was seated on the glided throne? Answer. A boy. Fifth. What was the monastery built of? Answer. Bricks. Question number 6. Who gave Debu a toy top? Answer. Hayat. Question number 7. Who warned about bringing bad luck? Answer. Jeevan. 8th. What animal was commonly seen around the monastery? Answer. Yak. Question number 9. What did Debu hear in the monasteries? Answer. Prayers. Last question. Who did Debu expect to see on the throne? Answer: Lama. Question number C. Answer these questions briefly. First one: where was the monastery? What was it built of? Answer: the monastery was on a hill in Tibet, made the sun-dried bricks with wooden roofs. Question number 2. What was the monastery for Debu unlike any place of worship? Answer: it was very different from what Debu was used to, with prayers wheel, gongs, and monks, creating an unfamiliar atmosphere. Question number 3. Why were some lamas young children? Answer: it was believed that when a lama died, they were reborn as a child. So some lamas were very young. Question number 4. What did Debu do just before he left the monastery? Answer: he watched the monks play trumpets as the sun set and observed the golden roof one last time. Question number 5. Why did Debu wake up in the middle of the night? Answer: he felt something heavy pressing on his chest, almost as if someone was suffocating him. Sixth, why didn't Debu chase the thief? Answer: he thought that chasing the thief would cause more problems and delay their departure. Think and write. Question number 1. Why do you think Debu hesitated to ask the Lama about his father? Answer: Debu was unsure how the Lama would respond and didn't want to make the conversation awkward, especially in such a solemn place. Question number 2. How can you share your opinion without being disrespectful? Answer: listen to others first. Second, use polite language like I think or maybe we can. Show respect for others' ideas even if you disagree. Last question, question number 3. What was the difference between Debu's ideas of robbers and actual attack? Answer: Debu thought robbers would be loud and terrifying, but in reality, the thief was quiet and sneaky. Expand words. First one: camcorder, camera plus recorder. Brunch, breakfast plus lunch. Internet, international plus network. Spoke, spoon plus fork. Webinar, web plus seminar. Blog, video plus blog. Emocon, emotion plus icon. Biopic, biography plus picture. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।